Perhaps the most important rule to be followed when we design a spreadsheet or worksheet is to have a long-term view. You should never assume that you will not need to add more data or more formulas to your spreadsheet, because chances are good that you will. By the way, I am Venkat Reddy. Welcome to my channel venkatareddyexcellent. In this video, I am going to share about a golden 80-20 rule which can be applied to our spreadsheet designing in Excel or in Google Sheets. You should spend about 80% of your time to plan your spreadsheet, and 20% only you should take for implementing it. In the beginning, it's extremely inefficient in the short run, but I can assure you that the long-term gain you are going to get, that will far outweigh the short-term pain you are incurring now. And remember one thing, the spreadsheets are to make it easier for the users to get the correct information. It's not just about the good presentation that looks good only once.